It is? Okay.
Buck got a new toy today.
It's a football.
Football!
It's a wide receiver for the Giants. Go ahead, Buck.
Remember the cloud. There he comes. Good boy.
Oh. See, he lets me get it. It's not a chew toy, so he doesn't spend half his time chewing. You put a hole in that ball, it's like dented now. But okay. See, he lets me grab it. The perfect fetch. Yeah. Hey, wait a minute. Come on. I'm not gonna walk. Fetch.
He's tired now.
You tired, Buck?
Poor thing.
Okay.
Okay, it's pausing. No, he wants to still play. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, good boy. Good boy. You let me pick it up. It's heavy.
It is very heavy. There he comes again. Yeah, he plays good with this one.
Yeah, good boy.
Doesn't get all yuck.
He lets me take it.
Yeah.
That's a good spiral. We'll get him a football jersey with a
Okay.
number on his back.
All right.
Okay.
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye, Mary. Say goodbye, Buck.